Hi mathematicians! In this video we are going to learn how to add and subtract integers. An integer is any positive or negative number. If we have our number line here, the positive numbers are greater than 0, are to the right of 0, and the negative numbers are less than 0, left of 0. So let's do some examples. Simplify 5 plus negative 7. To do that, we start with 5. It's our first number. Then we have plus, minus. So a plus, a minus is the same thing as just minus. So we're going to move to the left 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we land on negative 2. So that's our answer. In the second example, we are also starting with 5. And we are also moving in the negative direction to the left, 2. So we're going to go 1, 2, and what number do we land at? 3. In the next example, we're starting with negative 5. Negative 5 is over here. Plus means we move to the right. How much? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number do we land on? 0. So our answer here is 0. In general, if you have one number that's negative and the same number but positive, that will give you 0. Evaluate negative 2 minus 5. So here we're going to start with negative 2. Here's negative 2. And we're moving to the left 5 because it's negative 5. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we finish with negative 7. In the next example, we're also starting with negative 2, but this is plus 5. So we're moving in the right direction. So here's negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we land on 3. You can also use your calculator to answer these questions. If you're using a Chromebook, you have a graphing calculator built in. You click on the bottom of your screen, there's a calculator icon, and that will bring up the graphing calculator. In order to put this in my calculator, I'm going to put 5 plus negative 7. Now you might notice that there are what looks like two negatives. This one is minus, and this one is negative. If we're following a plus sign, or if the negative is in the beginning, then you will use this button. However, if it's in the middle, not after a plus sign, you will use the minus. So if we press enter, we see we get negative 2. 5 plus negative 2, we get 3. Negative 5 plus 5. Here it was in the beginning, so we used the negative. We get 0. Negative 2, and here there's no plus sign, and it's in the middle, so we're going to use minus 5. We get negative 7, and negative 2 plus 5 is 3. So I hope this shows you how you can use both the number line and the calculator to help you add and subtract integers. Good luck on the next questions.